Workers' comp insurance is insurance for the people that are working on your job site. From a national level, it's required that a contractor has workers' comp for anybody that's not a direct family member. In Washington, we're required to provide workers' comp insurance through the state of Washington. It's called L&I, Labor and Industries. So you can look up any contractor on their website, and that website is going to tell you whether or not the contractor has employees and they are paying into workers' comp. And then there's different class codes for what the workers are specifically doing while they're working on site. So somebody that goes and is entering in receipts into our system, we pay much less for their workers' comp per hour than somebody that's gonna be working up on top of a roof that needs to be roped off while he's working on a roof. Massively different. We're talking $9 an hour versus 13 cents an hour. You can imagine that we have a component of roofing in the type of work that we do, that if we're not paying workers' comp, it's much less for us to do the work for you. So workers' comp is a way to keep contractors honest and make sure that the people that are working on site are covered. So let's say, for instance, somebody comes on site and you hired, brand X contractor, and he doesn't have any workers' comp on the people that are working on site. Now, the people that are working on site get injured. Let's say they cut off their finger, heaven forbid die on your job site, on your personal property, your house. The first thing that's gonna happen is the family or the individual is going to go to the contractor and try to sue the contractor. Well, if the contractor doesn't have proper insurance, now what's gonna happen is they're gonna lean towards the property owner, the person that's hiring the contractor. So that's probably the most common thing that we see with a lack of insurance in our industry. I think it's really important that you're doing due diligence and you're making sure that the contractor that you hire is actually providing workers' comp insurance to the people that are coming out. Not just because you don't want to get sued, because that's what the right thing is to do. If that person gets injured on site, workers' comp is going to not only pay them for time lost, but they're also going to pay for them to be repaired as a human. At least at People Come First Construction Group, we care about our people. So obviously we make sure that they're going to be insured properly. We do see a lot of bids that will come in that will be less because they're hiring somebody that's not insuring the people that are coming out and working on their site. So it makes sense. And most people don't think about this, but they are putting themselves at risk.
People Come First Construction, making your